This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by finding the home screen shortcut you want to remove. Open Safari to confirm the page source, then swipe through your home screen pages until the icon appears. Once done, make sure the icon isn't inside a folder. If it is, you'll open that folder first. You don't need to delete the bookmark in Safari. The home screen shortcut is a separate file. Now place your finger on the icon to begin the removal process. You'll now edit the home screen. Long press the shortcut icon. If a menu shows, pick Remove Bookmark or Edit Home Screen. Icons will jiggle, tap the small minus or remove button on that icon. Make sure to read the prompt. Choose Remove from Home Screen to only delete the shortcut and keep the Safari bookmark, or Delete Bookmark if you want to remove it entirely from Safari. Once removed, press Done or tap the home gesture to exit edit mode. Finish by confirming the outcome. Open Safari and check your bookmarks list to verify whether the link remains. If the home screen icon still shows, restart your iPhone or swipe to a different page and back. Sometimes the display needs a refresh. If problems continue, clear Safari cache via Settings, Safari, Clear History, and Website Data, then retry the removal steps. If you want to restore a deleted shortcut later, use Safari's Share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.